All right, so we had a few people ask us to show the back shop a little bit more, which is obviously the part I enjoy the most. This is where we make all our products, our brakes and our accessories for brakes and our trowels as well. We try and keep, I'd say 98% of the stuff we manufacture is built in-house here. We sub out a little bit of stuff to local manufacturers as well. But you'll see these are the two pieces of equipment we first had a few years ago. And about 6 months ago, we added this monster of a machine, the new NHP 4000. So we'll show you guys a little bit more about this one. But last week, we've actually placed another order for a second VF4 SS. So in the next few weeks, we'll be reorganizing this whole part of the shop so that we can make more room for this new machine. And in a few months from now, we'll be adding a robot arm to that machine so that you can feed it itself. So I'll show you guys this new machine. So this thing is an absolute monster. You'll notice here the conveyor, the chip conveyor that comes out of this machine compared to the size of that one machine. It's a whole other beast. So come check out the beauty of this machine. So what we have here is that the middle of the machine, if you will, is where the spindle is, and that's where all the machining is happening. So you'll see the spindle head in here, which is the tool that cuts all the setups in the machine. So you can see all the parts that get machined are in there. The other beauty, the beauty of this machine though, is that all the loading is happening outside of the machine. So right here we have all our setups and we replace all the blanks on the machine, and then everything gets loaded up and then the machine feeds itself when it's ready to machine. So that makes our spindle time a lot greater than the other machines which need to be on their, which need to be stopped in order to load them. So that allows us to load the machines outside. You'll also notice that there's 6 different pallets in the machine, which allows us different setups to machine. So right now we only have 3 of the 6 setups. So we'll be adding more to increase production. So this machine's a beast. It's got 50 horsepower, goes to 15,000 RPM. It's a lot faster than any of the other machines we've had, but each machine have their own specifications. But this is a very nice purchase that we've made. That's it.